Hey my friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Today I'm checking out the mfish eRhino 140 watt 4-port wall charger. This thing is pretty sweet, comes in a few different colors. I really like the green one the best though. Also checking out the mfish Armored Dragon 2 charging cable too. This wall charger is really sweet. It has 4 ports. We got 3 USB C and 1 USB A. These are all basically super fast charging. One 22.5 watts. One is 20 watts, 100 watts, and 140 watts. So whether you're charging your phone, your power bank, your laptop, your burly cell phone, whatever, this thing automatically adjusts to. So even if I'm charging my little microphone case, it's not gonna overcharge or anything like that, or like zap it. So I'm pretty happy with it. Works perfect on my desk. I'm always charging up multiple things, and instead of having to have each little individual plug-in to charge, I simply just have this on my desk, and I have 2 microphone sets usually, and probably 1 or 2 phones charging on there throughout the day, just to keep stuff going here. So really happy with this. It's super burly, no problems at all. It takes up very little space, so I like that. I can just set it on my desk there. It's very convenient. So whether you're plugging this into the wall or just onto your desk or wherever, it's very small and compact. I like how the plug-in prongs also just can fold into the unit itself, so it doesn't poke out. So if you're gonna maybe take it on a trip or something like that, you just throw it in your luggage. It's not gonna take up very much space at all. So this is very convenient. Here I am with the Armored Dragon 2 charging cable. It's got some nice breathing LEDs on there. So with my old beat up Samsung phone there with a cracked screen, but it is still enabling the super fast charging, which is, if you're not familiar with that, it makes a crazy difference. So this thing is, yeah, just definitely a nice asset to my little workstation here. I'm super happy with it. All right, here we go. So I got a burly phone, power bank, and my microphone's all charging on here. So this has a different wattage on here. I think it looks cool. Just takes up 1 plug-in. It's super small and compact, and you can super fast charge your items here. So I still even have a USB-C port open also, so I could do some more. Pretty happy with it. It looks cool, does a great job, and lots of ports to charge stuff with. Thanks for watching, my friends. I hope this video is helpful. You guys have a great day out there, and I'll see you next time.